Cambodia is so underrated. If you're looking for a luxury getaway na hindi masakit sa bulsa, Cambodia is the place to be. Ang daming magagandang hotel and fine dining restaurants without breaking the bank. During our trip, we stayed sa Anik Palace Hotel sa Phnom Penh at meron pa rin kaming mga ibang hotels na pinagstayan. But this time, I will review Anik Palace Hotel. At grabe, sobrang sulit talaga. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa lobby, ang social ng vibes, parang vintage Parisian luxury. Yung room namin, very chic, cozy, and super Instagram-worthy. May antique style furniture, elegant fixtures, parang nasa ibang era ka, pero with all the modern comforts. And wait, may 3 swimming pool sila sa rooftop ha, as in 3, hindi lang isa. Plus may rooftop bar pa sila. Perfect spot for sunset cocktails habang chill ka lang with the city skyline view. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang food. Yung steak nila, legit. Lasang fine dining, pero super affordable lang. Every meal was a treat. Sobrang flavorful, well-plated, at hindi tinipid sa quality. And the service, 5-star level. The staff were so warm, polite, and attentive. Para ka talagang VIP guest nila. Sa totoo lang, we didn't expect this level of luxury sa price na ganito. Super mura lang compared to other countries, pero ang experience pang world class. By the way, we booked Anik Palace Hotel via Agoda. If you've never been to Cambodia, you're missing out. It's rich in culture, full of hidden gems without spending too much. On my next travel vlog, I will review another great hotel in Cambodia at ito talaga yung pinaka naging favorite namin. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Here's Bright Pinay. Bye!